want to change over or convert a 4-foot fluorescent to an LED, there's 3 major differences in the bulbs they sell today. So first and foremost, they sell a direct replacement for the T8s in an LED. That means you don't have to remove the ballast. You just put the new bulbs in place of the T8s. The downside to that is if the ballast goes bad, all the bulbs stop working. So second, here's 2 examples, the Worker and the Halco, where you have the line and the neutral that are wired to the same end. And third, here's 2 examples, a GE and a Phillips, where the line and neutral are on opposite ends. And then to add to the confusion, this one says self-ballasted. This one says use with direct line voltage. And this one says bypass. They all mean the same thing. That means they have to be used without a ballast. So you would have to remove this ballast and wire it directly to your line voltage. There's 2 different ways of going about that. So if you have this style bulb that has the neutral on one end, the line on the other end, which is the hot, you would take all the wires that are feeding into this end, wire them together, hook them to your neutral. Then all the wires on this end, you would wire them together and hook them to your hot. And that's all you would have to do for that style bulb. Now, if you're using the one that has the line and neutral on the same end, it gets a little more complicated. So each one of these, one's the neutral, one's the hot. Each one, you'd have to remove this and make sure each one is separated. Now they have different style. They have shunted and non-shunted. If you have a shunted tombstone, they call these tombstones, then you would have to remove the shunt, which means it's connected. Okay, it's getting a lot more complicated. I wouldn't even recommend using that style. That's just my opinion. My recommendation is you remove the ballast, you get ballasted bulbs, and you wire them neutral, hot, and then when they go bad one at a time, and you don't have to worry about the ballast. So I hope that helped y'all. Just understand that the manufacturers are constantly coming out with different types of LED bulbs. There's dimmable, there's different colors. There's ones that you can switch the color on now. So there probably have some manufacturers that have ones that will work with a ballast and without a ballast. So just, make sure you find the right bulb for what you're trying to do. Anyhow, hope it helps.